hear your name. It's been months but I still feel the same. I'm not sure why I can't get you off my mind. Guess I've never been in love before, so when you left me my heart was torn. I wish I never let you in, I wish I hadn't been so vulnerable. Crying out for help, 'cause you're bad for my health, but I can't help myself. But I can't help myself. Crying out for help, 'cause you're bad for my health, but I can't help myself. I've tried so hard to forget your face, so why does it feel like you're stuck in my brain? Do you remember how it felt to be side by side? Or do you never really think of me? Am I just a distant memory? Do I need to start living in this fantasy? In this fantasy, in this fantasy, crying out for help, 'cause you're bad for my health, but I can't help myself. But I can't help myself. Crying out for help, 'cause you're bad for my health, but I can't help myself. You call my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time, I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets, I will tell you your secrets. Oh, baby, you look so pretty in your smile, baby. I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby. Do you look
all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.